where everywhere there is violence. Why don't you sit together and resolve our differences? So that's the message we want to carry toward, and especially to today's youth. My name is Yogesh Mathuria. I am born and brought up in Bombay, and I had an amazing career in the IT industry. I was so much blessed. I used to travel 15 days India, 15 days US for almost 7 years. Just in 5 days of time, my wife was diagnosed with cancer. Did all possible under the sky, but still I lost her in 6 months of treatment. Now, after losing her, I realized that life is something else. It is not just running between India, US and earning money. So life has to be beyond something. The root cause for any disease is in human mind. Your thoughts are the key cause for whatever physical challenge. Whatever your thoughts will transfer into your physical situation. Now that is unlike today's medical science. Focus on money today, earn money, and बाद में we'll look at health and other issues. But no, you have to balance your life. So that was a hard lesson in my life. I met a gentleman in 2013, and in the film Flashback, everything came back to my memory. I met this gentleman when I was 9 years of age. He was a guy who came to our home to promote his book. It's a Hindi book called Bine Paise Duniya Ki Paidal Safar. Without use of money, walked around the world. He had walked in 60s from Delhi to USA to promote peace. And I asked this gentleman, I said, I had met you when I was very, very young. What can I do today to promote peace? He said, Yogesh, same thing. Go. You have spent more time outside India and other places. Go into villages, engage with people, talk to them, understand their problem, understand their challenges. So can you walk with your message of love and peace into neighboring countries? Now that really became transformation point in my life. Satish Kumar and E.P. Menon, inspired by Gandhi, walked from Delhi to USA for 27 months without single paisa in their pocket. All this walk experience gave me more strength to look at things at a larger level. We completed a walk from Johannesburg city to Vezo, which is birthplace of Mandela. So here is the yatra, which was supposed to be 11,000 kilometers through 11 countries. So that really attracted my attention, and I said, let me go and talk to those guys. So I talked to P.B. Rajagopal. Looking at the website, I picked up his name and number and all that, and we discussed and all. He says, yes, Yogesh, you're welcome. With your background and what we're trying to achieve is same. So why don't you join hands together and walk? So that's how I joined Jai Jagat Yatra. The 4 pillars of our walk is, one is removal of poverty. Second is exclusion. Today, rich people are becoming more rich, poor people are becoming more poor. How we can bridge that gap? Third is non-violence. And fourth is environmental challenges. So we take these 4 messages under umbrella of Gandhi's peace and non-violence and go in various parts of the world. The entire combination is such an interesting thing. We have a young girl of 21 walking with us from France. We have 2 people of 76 years of age. One is from France, one is from India. So we have age spectrum right from 21 to 76, almost connecting 3 generations of people. We have Hindus, we have Muslims, we have Christians, we have Sikh, we have Buddhist, we have Jain people walking with us. So we have live example of 6 different religions walking in harmony for 1 year together.
Եվ այդ խումբը Ջայ Ջագատ խումբը, որ իրականացնում է այսօր ազգային ժողովում